Tomorrow morning, Athens-Clarke County Police officers will discuss their next steps following the governor's decision to reopen some businesses. Governor Brian Kemp says certain businesses may reopen as early as this Friday. For the people responsible for public safety, this could mean a change. Grady Newsource reporter Anaya Gibson explains.
Violent crimes are especially low this year compared to last year. The reason for that is because, well, nobody's really out and about.
Some of that also probably has to do with reduced population out on the streets and roads in our county. A decrease in people out and about means a reduced chance of victimization.
With almost 40,000 University of Georgia students at home or in their apartments,
there's no social scene. That leads to reduced victimization as well.
Take a look at this data. As you can see, there are some decreases when it comes to things like robbery, shoplifting, and other forms of larceny. But there's also a spike when it comes to assaults, specifically simple and aggravated assaults. Turns out, the focal point when it comes to these crimes are in the home.
People are sheltering in place. They're spending a lot more time together than they would have in the past. And there is a propensity for some of those domestic violence type crimes to occur.
Even though crime is lower, police officers still have a job to do. But they have to protect themselves in order to protect the public.
If we have suspicion that the person is infected or has been exposed, then we will take additional precautions, such as wearing gloves, utilizing N95 masks, making sure we're decontaminating cars after someone has been arrested and transported.
Before officers reach a scene, they will already have been spoken to by dispatchers on whether or not that scene may potentially expose them to COVID-19.
We've worked to eliminate InPerson Response where it's not necessary.
Nonviolent crimes like shoplifting or misdemeanors may only receive a citation or a warrant for later.
So for a car accident or a private property accident where there are not injuries, we will probably not dispatch an officer. We would direct the involved parties to work it out amongst themselves and to do what's called a self-report of accident.
If they need more equipment, they have access to things like N95 masks, gloves, face shields, and gowns. When in public, officers are required to wear a surgical mask, like this one, or a cloth mask, like this one, which was made by a local organization called Mask Making for Athens. Organizer Amy Bear said that the ACCPD asked for 500 masks, so they got to it, and now they are delivering them in partial quantities.
It's close to my heart that they are out there protecting us, and this is just one small way that we can help protect them while they're protecting us so selflessly.
I'm Anaya Gibson for Grady Newsource. Have a great day and stay safe.
Redford says they haven't had any run-ins with COVID-19 arrests yet, and he added, knocking on wood here.